Good day everyone. Today we have the 2019 Honda Brio RS. This is going to be a full in-depth tour review of the RS. And before I start my review video, I want to give a big thanks to Honda Cars Pampanga for allowing me to review the all-new Brio RS. And once again, this is Patrick Reyes TV. Let's go and have a review. Now you have your fabric materials on the seats. You got orange stitching that matches the exterior color of the Honda Brio RS, and your design on the middle. So it has the same design on the front seat and on the rear seat, so the back. And you have your recliner and your seat position adjustment on the middle. So let's go and turn on the headlights and the fog lights. Hazards. All windows are electrically powered, only the driver's side window is automatic down. The Honda Brio was first unveiled in 2011. It is the smallest of the Honda lineup in the Philippines, now on its second generation, which was first unveiled in the Indonesian International Auto Show back in 2018. Major changes have been made to the exterior, which obviously has some similarities with the outgoing front fascia of the Honda Brio RS. The tailgate was also changed to a conventional tailgate with C, unlike the first generation that had an all-glass tailgate. The Brio also has its sedan counterpart, which is the Brio Amaze. Unfortunately, they did not release the all-new Brio Amaze just yet. It still has the same 1.3 engine, unlike the all-new Brio Hatch, which has the 1.2 engine. We'll go over on that later. What amazes me with the all-new Brio RS is that you could get this top-of-the-line variant for as low as 730,000 pesos. Baseline model starts at 585,000, which has a manual transmission. The Brio RS looks amazing on the outside and on the inside. It's a good upgrade from the previous generation, which was already good and agile for its class. Let's go and pop the hood. All-new Honda Brio RS has the all-new 1.2-liter single overhead cam iVTEC engine, which produces 90 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 110 Nm of torque at 4,800 RPM. Engine can be paired with either a CVT or a 5-speed manual transmission. It has a fuel tank capacity of 35 liters, which is very good for its size. Fuel consumption rating isn't out yet, as this is fairly new engine for the Brio, but Honda promises that the new engine would be much more efficient than the previous model. The Honda Brio greets you with a 3-spoke steering wheel, plastic materials with side extensions. You have volume controls right here, your channel and your different modes. You have your CVT transmission. Head unit is the same with the current head units of the Honda lineup. You have Bluetooth music, radio, USB music, phone and settings, your sound. So you have a lot of different settings, your brightness, and so on. Now on the driver's side, you have a pocket in here probably for your coins, and some slots in here for switches. This is probably a push start for other countries. Probably it has a push start system, but unfortunately the Brio RS in the Philippines doesn't have push start. You have tweeter speakers, both sides. The RS has retractable side mirrors, power side mirrors, central lock, and of course your electric power windows. Now here in the bottom part of the center console, you have another pocket in here. You'd probably put your cell phones in there. Power outlet, 2 cup holders, another cup holder in here in the middle. As you can see, everything is black. Even the carpet is all black in the RS model. Now let's go and check out the rear seats. Let's hop on in. You have cup holder right here. The orange trim goes around on the back as well. So you can see the view of the black ceiling. And here's the cockpit of the 2019 Honda Brio RS. Very sporty design. So here in the back you have plenty of space for this size of car. You can pull this tab right here so you can fold down the seats. So the Honda Brio RS doesn't have the 60/40 configuration on folding down the rear seats. So it folds as one. So you can have more storage on the back part. So I hope you enjoyed the full tour review of the 2019 Honda Brio RS. There's a lot more to come, so please do subscribe, share, and like my videos. This is Patrick Reyes TV, signing out.